Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies. Hope you're all well. Today we're working on a 2016 Smart ForFour. It's a Prime Premium, so it doesn't have a reversing camera at the moment, and that's why we're working on this vehicle. So just going to quickly show you currently what happens when we go into reverse, that the parking sensors engage, but no image comes up on the screen. So what we'll do is we'll just fire it all up. Don't need to start the engine for this one, but gives you an idea. So once you're all fired up, we'll turn it back on. And what we'll do is we'll simply pop it in reverse. And there you go. So at the moment we're in reverse. No items on the screen are showing any indication that we're in reverse. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take apart the rear tailgate. We're going to install all the parts to give you the genuine smart car reversing camera and the emblem. We're going to then take it to be coded, because all of this has to be coded for this reversing camera, and then when we zip back in a bit we should have a nice lovely reverse camera image with moving guidelines and all that sort of stuff. So stay tuned. Hi guys, so we are back in the ForFour. So we've fitted all the equipment to the back end of the car. We have taken it to our friends around the corner to do all of the coding with the Mercedes computer system. So that's updating your data card, doing all the SCN coding, and basically just telling the car that it's got the camera fitted into it now. So what we'll do is we'll just quickly pop it into reverse, show you how it's all working, and explain a little bit more. So there we go, new genuine smart car reversing camera on the Smart ForFour. As you'll probably have seen in the thumbnail picture, it goes in the emblem badge rather than being a wedge type camera like on the 4.2, and because it is a round camera, it's got a slight fisheye effect from where it sits. So as I'm reversing down, I'll just do that. You can see the guidelines are also going to move to where I'm going to end up in those boxes, and it will stay on whilst you're driving forward as well, so you can carry on your parking manoeuvre until I think you go over a certain speed limit, and then it will disengage. Because it's all genuine parts and it's all been coded properly, you can go into the menu, you can go into vehicle, settings, rear view camera, and then you've got your rear camera view settings. So this is the benefit of having a genuine kit do it. Yeah, you can fit aftermarket, but you won't get this level of integration, and you'll probably struggle getting it into this head unit. So in these settings you can turn things off. Well, you can turn the camera view off if you don't want it. You can turn the static guidelines off, so you'll still get your moving. You can turn your dynamic ones off, so you just get the static ones, and you can turn both off if you just want the pure image. Image settings, and this is where you can change all your brightness and your colors and your contrast and all that sort of stuff, but to be honest I'd probably just leave it how it is. So just to show you again, pop it in reverse, you get the nice big screen coming up. You have got the slight fisheye effect, but that's because of the type of camera that Smart are using with the ForFour. You get your moving guidelines because it's all been done properly, and yeah, so that's it. The Smart 4.2 and now the Smart ForFour have had a genuine smart car reversing camera fitted. Mercedes obviously say it's not possible. It is possible. The proof's here. You saw it before and now you've seen it afterwards. So yeah, so really pleased with this one. If you've got a Smart ForFour or a Smart 4.2, get in touch with us through the website or leave us a comment below in the box. If you're into your smart car retrofits, make sure you like and subscribe, because we've got a load more plans in the future. Due to the type of work involved with this, we will need the vehicle to come down and see us here in Poole in Dorset, because we've got the fitting part is the easy bit. It's to do all the coding so it all comes up on the screen, and updating your data card. We can't do that remotely, it has to be done down here. But yeah, if you've got any questions about it, ask away. Telephone number, well, I don't know why you need a telephone number. Website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. If you need any help, just get on there, and don't take no for an answer. If you've got a ForFour, you want a camera, here's the proof. It's all in, it's working. Happy days.